Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a WhatsApp can't send any video or picture or image on WhatsApp status. So guys, if you have this type of problem that when you want to send any image or any video on your status and facing this type of issue that sending updates but not uploaded any video. So guys, how can you fix this problem? Easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to check that your internet connection is connected or not. So guys, if not connected, then guys you need to connect any internet connection first on your iPhone, and guys after doing this you need to go back. And guys, if you are using mobile data, then guys you need to turn on your mobile data. And guys, maybe this problem is in your network. So guys, simply you need to reset your network settings from here. As you can see, simply you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, and guys you need to click on reset and click on reset network settings. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, it third step, you need to check VPN connection. So guys, if you have connected any kind of VPN, then guys you need to disconnect your VPN. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. As you can see here, now I am going to send this, and now you will see, now you can see, now my image has been uploaded on WhatsApp status. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to update your WhatsApp from App Store. As you can see here, simply you need to open your App Store here, and guys you need to search WhatsApp. And guys, after this you need to open your WhatsApp here, and guys after opening your WhatsApp you need to update your app. And guys, after doing this all the problems will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.